We are on our way to install a leather interior on the F-150. You can do that? Yes, you can. I'm Ingo Rademacher, and I'm here today at Katzkin Leather in Los Angeles to install a custom leather interior on our F-150 because the XLT came with cloth seats and all for the price less than you would expect to pay for a nice leather couch. I had no idea that you could do this, so I thought it would be fun to do a quick episode of Ingo's car. As some of you may already know, the F-150 behind me actually won Best for Our Family SUV, even though it's a truck. Now, these aren't seat covers. They actually take the seats out of the vehicle, bring them inside the factory, take off the cloth, and replace it with a custom interior of your choice. You can opt to go with their standard designs, which they have many of, or you can completely design your own custom leather interior. These seats are available for most major brands. You can go to their website and check if they're available for your vehicle. You choose your interior, and they have installers all over America. It's that simple. The whole process takes about 5 to 6 hours, and you can also add heated and cooled seats. We decided to opt with the, you know what? You're gonna have to wait and see. Let's go inside and see how it's all done. Factory? That's why you guys did that.
Right. They're pretty much designed like a factory cover, and they go on like a factory cover.
This is incredible. And even the center console, look at this. This is so nice. I'm blown away. It just changed the entire truck. Look at the back seats. Wow, that is unreal. This is incredible. Yes. Totally different seat. Even though it's the same seat, it just feels like a completely different seat. It's so comfortable. Wow. It smells like a new car. Go!
Oh my goodness.
And then look at the back seats.
This is so
Crazy, right?
It was seriously just cloth. I didn't know they were gonna do this part.
Neither did I. That actually comes with the package.
Wow.
And it feels different too when you sit on them, doesn't it?
Yeah, I don't feel so mushy. I'm so happy they did the middle. This just like makes it, this part, it just kind of like makes it all come together. It's amazing.
Well, there you have it, folks. We spend a lot of time in our cars. And like a good mattress, I think having a car that you actually look forward to getting into and driving makes life just that little bit more fun. Until next time. Now, as some of you may already know, the F-150 behind me actually won Best for Our... Whoop, no, the paper came out. Did it? Well, there you have it, folks. And I forgot already. Best for Our, there we go. It's funky the way I wrote it, but I like it. Because it is kind of funky, because it did win for Family SUV, because we tested nothing but SUVs and minivans, and we ended up with that. Even though it's a truck. Even though it's a truck. And then I'll go into one.
These aren't seat covers.
Now these aren't seat covers, right? And then we go to the whole thing. No, okay, let's roll.